friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try out a new Stitch Fix box. I am currently in the middle of downsizing my wardrobe, but while I'm doing that, I'm actually trying to get rid of less fast fashion pieces and more quality pieces. So I do get a Stitch Fix box about twice a year. So I asked for a little bit more casual wear, and then also we're going to Ireland in 2 weeks. So I have nothing that helps prevent rain. So I asked for like rain coats, rain boots, stuff like that, because I don't have any of that. I don't know why, but typically when when it's raining, I don't go outside. So I don't even have one single jacket to protect me from the rain that isn't my winter coat. I need like something lightweight. So that's what I asked for in this box. Okay, so this is the Greta cold shoulder dress for $59. This is right up my alley, and the reason why I get Stitch Fix dresses is because a lot of them are floral print, and I love floral print, but they're also super stretchy and super soft. Do I look like a child? I don't know. I kind of like it, but at the same time, it's a little girlish, and it looks better in the camera, but in person, not so much. So I don't know. So the next thing is this Raven dress for $49. It's actually really long. It's very plain though, and I feel like I have this exact same thing in red. It's actually goes all the way down. It's really soft. I think it looks good. The only issue I have with this is there is a front seam. Like, it's in quarters. It's in a front seam all the way down. Like, who thinks about putting a front seam in? That's so weird. It's not like it's pants. This front seam makes me hate this. I would have bought this dress without this front seam. It even has pockets, but there's a front seam. Like, it looks so bad. Yeah. Like, to me, it looks really bad. Can you see it? Why? Why does it do that? I'm very disappointed because I actually really like this. We did get a rain jacket. This is the Regan rain jacket. The only thing is, I mean, this is pretty nice, but it's $98. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty thick too. I wanted something a little bit more lightweight, so I'm gonna try it on, but that's a little pricey for what I wanted it for. All right, this is actually more lightweight than I thought it would be. This is the jacket. It goes all the way down to the thing. This might actually be too tight. Ooh. Can I zip it up? Okay, it zips up. Does it cinch? It cinches. I mean, it is cute. Can I reach the hood? Where's the hood? There it is. Oh God. The hood's huge. What the heck? What is the point of that? Hello? I can't see. What? How am I supposed to keep that back? I hate that. Don't put a freaking huge hood on where I can't see my freaking anything. I actually look really cute right now. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. This piece is a Canvas 2-pocket tie front. I actually really like this. This is $45, and the only thing I don't like about this is the tie in the front, because typically the pieces with the tie in the front don't look good on me. But I kind of really like this, so I'm excited to try this on. So this is Karah Absolution Capri Skinny Jeans. I am not a capris person because I'm really short as it is, and capris look really frumpy on me. These are also $74. So I don't know, we'll try them on, but I already have a feeling that I don't like these. Item is the Market & Spruce Adair Booty. These are so cute. The only problem is they're $78. I can't tell if I like it. I kind of like the shirt. I don't think it goes with these pants. These are the pants. These are the capris. They don't look like capris because I'm too short. This is what happens when I try to wear capris. I get this little ankle thing. That doesn't look good. Let me put the shoes on. Does that make it better? I can't tell. Does that make it look worse? All of these clothes, I have no idea. I'm not cool enough to know if these are good items or not. I'm a creature of habit. I wear the same clothing. They're all floral. They're all skirts and dresses. They're all pink. And I don't know if this is cool and looks good or not, so I need help. Please let me know down below. This is the Maven High Rise Utility Short for $58. That's a little steep for a pair of shorts, but usually their shorts fit me really well. And it has like this weird pocket thing. I don't know, that's kind of weird. Okay, I put this shirt on with the pair of shorts. There's something going on with these shorts that are not comfortable. I don't know, something's happening. This shirt looks better with this, I will say. Is this throwing everything off? Is this tie what I hate about it? I don't know. This is the shorts though, with the awkward pockets. What is this? And then there's these. I mean, I'll have pockets, but does it look bad? Do they look weird? I would wear this, I think. I'm trying to go outside my comfort zone and wear other things. This off-white cam-tiered satin tank top. So I think this is kind of cute, but it is also looks see-through. So this should be interesting to see what it looks like. This is actually $39. It's super flowy. Okay, this is really comfortable and really cute. The only thing is it's kind of see-through if you see it, but it looks really good with these pants. I think I like this outfit. Out of all the things, I think this is the thing I like. You should let me know down below what you think I should get because I'm very indecisive and don't know. Stitch Fix for me is a little hit or miss. It is a little on the pricier side, but if you do find an item that fits you well and that you really like, I will say the quality is really good and it lasts a pretty long time. The clothes that I continuously go back to in my wardrobe are usually the Stitch Fix clothing. So it does take a little bit to find stuff, but once you do, it's going to last you a while and you're probably gonna wear it all the time. They did up their count of clothing in the box, so you can get 5 pieces, you can get 9 pieces, like they let you choose how many pieces you get now, so there's more variety. There's like quizzes and stuff now that you can take, so you can pin stuff and say, I like this, I don't like this, so your stylist can see more of what you do like. You can like choose whether you want all stuff you only like or a mix of stuff new to try. I think I have a mix. I have a mix of like, I want stuff I know I'm gonna like and stuff that I wanna try that's new. So I think that's why my box is the way it is. But I think it is something that, not to get every month, it's a little pricey if you get it every month, but I like to set it to do it twice a year. Usually there's always 1 or 2 items that I like. In fact, the last box that I got, I ended up keeping the whole box, which never happens. So you get a discount if you get the whole box. Let me know what you think about Stitch Fix down below, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I will see you next week.